In front of me is Vivo IQOO 005 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock on this Vivo device. You need to start by accessing settings, scrolling down and choosing fingerprint, face and password. Now click on face, enter your current login method and tap on add a face. Then read the disclaimer, choose OK and remember to keep your face in frame. Then wait for 100% mark. Now you need to click on this switcher next to stay on lock screen after unlocking feature to switch it on or off and tap on OK. Then click on home button. Now when I turn off my screen and then turn it back on, I can see that face unlock is working properly, so all I need to do is swipe up to open my Vivo. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!